Hey everybody, welcome back to Bird Temper Tantrum. I'm gonna prank Red with the scary maze. Hey Red, yeah? Can you come up here? Sure. Yeah, what do you need? Do you think you can try 3 levels of this maze for me? Okay, let's see. Oh, I see. You guys think they're easy. Well, they're not that easy. Shh. It's gonna come. What the? I totally got you. You do it. That's gonna. I hope we're not gonna see him for a while. I think we're taking a break from him for a while. See, this game is easy. You. Ow, 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 ow. Red's just freaked out by this dumb prank I did on him. I did the scary maze prank on him, like I did to you. Do you think we can do it on Dad? Mm-hmm. He'll think it's funny. Halloween might soon come by. Sorry that you think this video might be... I don't know what to do to interest these people. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Well, if you like Red's prank on this video, be sure to like it. So see you guys soon. Bye.